Hi YouTube, what's going on? So recently I got access to a tool which can tell me how much each of these AI photos you see from online is making and which software they are using. In that way, you can learn the exact same process and earn like them. Okay, so in this video we are going to target one of the AI photos and videos that are making waves from internet, and as you can see on your screen, these guys are making as much as 60,000 to over $180,000. Okay, that is 60 grand and over 180 grand. This is what monthly earnings. So why I'm making this video is just to inform you of how people are taking advantage of the AIs out there and how you too can take advantage of the AIs and earn like them. So just in case you wanna see how these guys are able to generate these videos or photos and how they're able to make this money, that is what we're going to talk about in this video, so that you too can earn like them. Okay, just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay, all right, so guys, welcome back. In this for video, we're gonna look at which AI they're using. First, I need to know that with the coming of AIs, people have made lots of money, and just in case you know what to do, you're gonna earn some money as well. Okay, now I need to know that these AI generated videos or photos are making waves due to the kind of animations they bring. Okay, for instance, if you see or if somebody tells you a cat is dancing and you see some real like photos, you might really want to click, right? And that is how these guys are able to make their money. So what you can see on your screen is an AI generated photo of cat and a tiger. That is the big cat and the small cat. Now in that way, people are clicking in order to view what is happening. At the end of the day, who generated these photos making lots of money. Now I need to know that these guys are using AIs to generate this photo and they are able to earn this much of money monthly. And I also need you to note that the AI photo or the AI systems they are using is the AI system which I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. Well, the AI which these guys are using seem to be some kind of a maybe an AI from Singapore. But whatever the case is, you're gonna see clearly which AI they're using, and then you too can try. Okay, actually these guys are using the Higgs.ai, and links to this AI is going to be shared in the description of this video, and you can go over there and see how to use these AIs probably for testing purposes. And just to tell you that any financial transactions as far as the AI is concerned is totally at your own risk. Therefore, you are called upon to do your own research on which AI works best for you, and you're gonna see how you can adapt on it. Okay, so that is all for today. Just in case you have questions, let me know in the comment, and bye bye for now. You can also let me know of which is the next AI technology which is making waves on the internet, and we're gonna go ahead to make a video about it. Okay.